Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friend, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your quantitative aptitude educator for all banking and insurance exam at Entry App. So guys, as you all know that ki SBI Clerk 2021 prelims exam is almost over and you have started your preparation for SBI Clerk 2021 mains as well. And on the other hand, students are asking, sir, what can be the expected cutoff for SBI Clerk 2021? Will I be selected for SBI Clerk 2021 mains or not, because I have attempted this number of questions. So I'll be replying your queries in this video, because this video will be on SBI Clerk 2021 expected cutoff, and the same will be, guys, state wise. Same will be statewide. Video will be in Hindi and English both. First part of the video will be in English and the later part of the video will be in Hindi. So don't worry about that. This video I have made for each and every student, guys. Guys, we already know कि expected cutoff or the cutoff only depend on two factors. One is number of vacancies and the another one is difficulty level of the question paper. The later one is very most important. So first of all, let us discuss ki what was the difficulty level of the question paper in SBI Clerk 2021. So guys, you can see here difficulty level of the question paper. So guys, if we talk about the previous year, so guys, previous year paper was very easy, very easy, and you know the simplification question in the previous year paper was very easy, and you can take only few seconds to solve a particular question. And let's talk about this 2021 paper. What was there in the 2021 paper? So guys, in 2021 paper we saw the difficulty level from moderate to difficult side. Difficult, why I am saying the difficult? As per the prelims level only. Okay, as per the prelims level only, not for the particular question. So guys, this was moderate to difficult level. So the question paper level was difficult this time. Why I am saying this? Because guys, after 11th July shift, after 11th July first shift, and we saw, guys, the paper level was completely changed. And why that the paper level was changed? Just because of the quantitative aptitude section. We saw some question in quantitative aptitude section, whether it was related to simplification, data interpretation, and some questions were there in the arithmetic, that was in which students were taking time to solve those questions. Apart from that, not only the quadratic equation but also the Q1 and Q2, means comparative inequality, we saw question in the examination in some shift. So just because of that, the paper level was difficult. And the another thing, guys, English language. In some shift, students are saying, sir, English language section was the kind of section where we saw options were very tricky. So options were very tricky. It was difficult to find which is the correct option, guys. So this is what we saw in the English language section. English language section was easy but tricky. And quantitative aptitude section was moderate to difficult, guys. So obviously it will make a great impact on SBI Clerk 2021 cutoff also. So let us discuss what was the cutoff in previous year. So guys, this is the cutoff, state wise cutoff previous year, and the vacancies, number of vacancies as well. For example, you can see here 230 number of vacancies and 68.75 was the cutoff in Bihar. In the same way, you can see the number of vacancies in your state. So guys, have the screenshot of this and check what was the number of vacancies. These are the 2020 vacancies, guys, and 2020 cutoff as well. So check what was the number of vacancies in your state and what was the cutoff in your state, guys. For example, in Odisha 425 and 68.25, Maharashtra 865, 59.75. And now, guys, let us have an overlook on the number of vacancies comparison in between the previous year and this year and the expected cutoff as well. So this is what you were waiting for. So guys, vacancies, guys, in 2021 we saw the number of vacancies in Chhattisgarh 120, whereas the number of vacancies 190 in 2020. So this is the vacancies 2021 and these are the 2020 vacancies, guys. So this was the slide where I discussed 2020 cutoff and 2020 vacancies, and this is a slide where we are discussing 2020 cutoff and the vacancies 2021. So guys, here you can also see 2019 cutoff and 2018 cutoff. So guys, this is what you can see. There was major changes in between 2019 to 2020. So guys, in some states the cutoff was increased, whereas in some states the cutoff was decreased. So why? Because it depends on the number of vacancies as well. So guys, see here Chhattisgarh, guys, 120. 120 number of vacancies and 190 number of vacancies. Previous year 68.75 the cutoff, previous year cutoff. But guys, due to the difficulty level of the question paper this time, and number of vacancies also decreased, like 70 vacancies decreased, so 65 to 70 you can expect the cutoff. In the same way guys, Uttar Pradesh you can see 350 number of vacancies this time, whereas previous time 865 vacancies guys, 865 vacancies. So guys, we saw very big difference. So 71 was the cutoff previous year, but guys this time the level of the difficulty of the question paper was bit moderate to difficult, from moderate to difficult. So just because of that you can see the cutoff 65 to 68. Okay, yeah, this time guys, this I accept this thing कि this time the cutoff will be lower side from the previous year, but not much lower because of the number of vacancies as well. Because number of vacancies are less, so definitely SBI will select less number of candidate as compared to the previous year from a particular state. So just because of that, cutoff will not be much lower, but yeah, it will be lower by 2 or 3 marks from the previous year. So guys, here you can see 71 was the cutoff. If 71 was the cutoff in Uttar Pradesh previous year, then 65 to 68 or 69 also you can expect in Uttar Pradesh cutoff guys. Okay, because 865 were the number of vacancy previous time and 350 was the number of vacancy this time, so there will not be much difference in between the previous year and this year expected cutoff. So guys, here you can see these all the cutoffs are given. For example, let's talk about the Kerala. 394 vacancies were there previous year, and this year only 97 vacancies. So guys, and 69.75 was the cutoff, but yes, this time 66 to 70 will be the cutoff, because SBI will not select much candidate from the Kerala region, because 97 is only the vacancies, whereas previous year almost 400 vacancies. So just because of that 66 to 70 you can expect the cutoff. So guys, this is the complete analysis of cutoff and your vacancies in between the previous year and this year guys. So this is all the expected cutoff. This is the expected cutoff guys for 2021. So you can have the screenshot of this. If you attempted in between these for Maharashtra, if you attempted say 55 to 62 or 55 to 65 number of questions, then you are in the safe zone. Okay, you are in the safe zone guys. So don't worry about that. In Gujarat state, let's talk about it, because in Gujarat number of vacancies have been increased 550 and 902 right now. Previous year 56.75. So yes, this year the chances of the increasing the cutoff is high. So 62 maximum, like 62 maximum means cutoff will be either 62 or below than that. In the same way guys, here 70 max is written, so you can expect the cutoff either 70 or below 70. So guys, this is all about the expected cutoff. Now let me elaborate you all the things in Hindi. So guys, अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूं तो भाई देखो यहाँ पर क्या लिखा हुआ है. सबसे पहले डिफिकल्टी लेवल के बारे में बात करते हैं कि डिफिकल्टी लेवल जो है इस बार थोड़ा सा हाई देखने के लिए मिला. अब हाई देखने के लिए मिला तो क्यों? क्वांट की वजह से और इंग्लिश जो ट्रिकी था उसकी वजह से. तो इस बार जो है कट ऑफ थोड़ा सा कम रहेगा. बहुत ज़्यादा कम इसलिए नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि इस बार वैकेंसी भी कम है. सो किसी पर्टिकुलर स्टेट में अगर 70 कट ऑफ है तो उसके मतलब 68 या 67 के आसपास आप कट ऑफ मान सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि 70 है तो इस बार 65 या 66 चला जाएगा या 64 चला जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज भी जो है डिक्रीज हुई है. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं ये है आंध्र प्रदेश, बिहार, छत्तीसगढ़, दिल्ली, गुजरात, इन सब स्टेट की क्या है वैकेंसी से नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसी 2021 में और 2020 की क्या है कट ऑफ भी है. और आप कट ऑफ से भी कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं 2019 2018 से भी. अगर बात करें 2021 की एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ तो सारा स्टेट वाइज यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. और वैकेंसीज में भी कंपैरिजन यहाँ पर मैंने करके दिखा दिया है कि 2020 में कितनी वैकेंसी थी, 2021 में भी कितनी वैकेंसी थी. तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. अगर आपने इनके बीच क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किए हैं तो आप डेफिनेटली सेफ जोन में, जैसे कहीं पे लिखा हुआ है 66 टू 70, सो आप उसका कोई मीन निकाल लीजिए. फॉर एग्जांपल 67.5 या 68 वहां पर कट ऑफ बन सकती है. अगर आपने उतना क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किया है विद वेरी गुड एक्यूरेसी, इसका मतलब आपके उतने ही नंबर आएंगे, तो आप डेफिनेटली सिलेक्टेड है. यू कैन स्टार्ट योर SBI क्लर्क 2021 प्रिपरेशन, मेंस प्रिपरेशन विदाउट एनी सेकंड थॉट. ठीक है। तो यही मुझे इस वीडियो में बताना था। प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब करके जो बेल आइकन है उसको हिट जरूर कीजिएगा, जिससे कि जो भी मैं वीडियो अपलोड करूंगा उनका नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास बहुत तेजी से पहुंच सकेगा। दिस इज आकाश शुक्ला साइनिंग ऑफ एंड गुड लक फॉर द एग्जाम गाइस। एंड वन मोर थिंग आई नीड टू डिस्कस, अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं फॉर द लाइव क्लासेस where I'll be giving you the live classes, complete study plan, WhatsApp group, PDF material, okay, PDF material, recorded classes and 24/7 personalized mentorship I'll be giving you. So guys, you can join our Entry Gold Banking. For that you have to fill up the form, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन फील्ड में मिल जाएगा। एक सिंपल सा गूगल फॉर्म है, उसको फिलअप कीजिए, फिलअप द फॉर्म, उसको फिलअप कीजिए। नॉर्मल से क्वेश्चन आपके पास आपसे पूछे जाएंगे और मेरी टीम आपको कॉल बैक करेगी। यहाँ पर मेंटोर्स और टीचर्स अवेलेबल होंगे, आकाश शुक्ला, मिर्जा बेग, शिवानी सोलन, कशिश, राहुल, आशिमा शुक्ला। और गाइस यहाँ पर क्या है, आपको जूम ऐप और गूगल मीट यहाँ पर आपको क्लासेस प्रोवाइड की जाएंगी, जिससे कि आप डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन पूछ सके अपने मेंटोर से, डायरेक्टली फेस टू फेस टॉक कर सके। So guys, this is one of the most important feature of the Entry Gold Banking. If you are interested, then you can join. आपको गूगल फॉर्म डिस्क्रिप्शन फील्ड में मिल जाएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस। सो यही मुझे इस वीडियो के अंदर बताना था। थैंक यू।